Do you feel nervous when you meet new people in English?
I do. My mind goes blank. I forget my own name.
Perfect. Today we fix that together. This video is very useful.
Okay, I try. Hello, my name is Ryan. Um, I am Ryan.
That's okay. Let's say it together. Hi, my name is Emma.
Hi, my name is Ryan.
Perfect. Save this sentence. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Friends, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan, and today we help you feel confident.
Yes, today's topic is how to introduce yourself in English.
No fear, no stress.
But before we start, we have a quick favor.
If you enjoy our conversations, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to Fluent Friends. We want to help you speak English confidently.
And share this with your friends who are learning English.
Many learners feel shy here. Okay, Ryan, imagine this. You are my new neighbor.
Oh, I just moved here.
Yes, I see you outside.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
See? This is normal. Let's try again. Hi, my name is Emma.
Hi, my name is Ryan.
Great. You can also say, hello, I'm Emma.
Hello, I'm Ryan.
Both are good.
So, I am and I'm are the same?
Exactly.
Oh, I get it.
Many learners make this mistake.
Hello, my name Ryan.
Almost. We need one small word. Hello, my name is Ryan.
Ah, is.
Yes, very important.
Small word, big problem.
Let me hear you say it again.
Hello, my name is Ryan.
Perfect.
I feel like a superhero now. Is Ryan.
Yes, that's the energy. You will hear this everywhere. After names, we say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Perfect.
Can I say only nice to meet you?
Yes, that's enough.
Oh, easy. Wait, can I say very nice to meet you?
Yes, that's friendly.
Super nice to meet you?
Maybe not super. Keep it simple.
Okay, I got it.
Listen carefully. I live here.
I live here too.
You can also say, I live near here.
I just moved in.
Perfect sentence.
I sound good.
This question is very common. So, Ryan, I ask, what do you do?
I move my hands? I walk?
No. Good try, though. What do you do means your job.
Oh, why don't you just say, what is your job?
You can, but what do you do sounds more natural.
English is tricky.
It's okay. Try it.
I am a student.
Perfect.
I work in an office.
Very good.
I sleep a lot.
That's not a job, Ryan.
It should be. So, what is your job is wrong?
No, it's okay. But what do you do is more friendly.
So, English likes short questions.
Yes, simple and friendly. Me too.
I like that.
Me too. I like music.
I like movies.
I like cooking.
I like sleeping.
That's honest.
What? Sleep is important.
True, but maybe say, I like relaxing.
Okay, I like relaxing.
Better. These tips will help you a lot. Okay, before we practice, 3 quick tips.
I'm ready.
Tip number 1. Don't speak too fast.
Slow is good?
Yes, slow and clear is better than fast.
Okay.
Tip number 2. Smile when you speak.
Like this?
Perfect. It helps you feel confident.
I feel better already.
And tip number 3. It's okay to be nervous.
Really?
Yes, everyone feels nervous. Just try.
That makes sense.
This is the most important part. Try this with me. Hi, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you. I live here. I work online.
Hi, I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you too. I just moved in. I'm a student.
That's it.
That's all?
Yes, simple is best.
I can do this.
Exactly. Let's recap. Say hello.
Say your name.
Say nice to meet you.
Say what you do.
Optional, what you like.
No stress.
You got this. All right, Fluent Friends, now we have a question for you.
How do you introduce yourself in English? Write it in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
And if this video helped you, please give it a like.
Subscribe to Fluent Friends for more easy English conversations.
Share this with your friends learning English too.
Thank you for learning with us today, Fluent Friends.
We believe in you. Keep practicing.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.